Hi guys, this is Mr. Richard, the Innovative Minds Tutor. So if you're new to this channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe. You only subscribe once as we are growing, right? We are around at 575 subscribers. We're reaching our goal, which is 1K. Soon we'll get there through your support, and do not forget to share the videos, links. We really appreciate that. Without wasting time, let's get to today's video. So in this video, we are going to work with multiplication and division involving fraction, right? For MIP 1501. Even if you're not doing MIP, there's always a room for learning, right? Let's get to today's video. All right. We are given 4 divided by 3 divided by 3 all over 12. We have to calculate this. So let's simplify this in the simplest manner. So we have 4 all over 3. We ask ourselves, what is the inverse of division? That's multiplication. If you don't divide, you multiply. So that will change our second fraction, meaning that the numerator will now become a denominator, and the denominator will now become a numerator. So we are going to have 12 all over 3 there. So let's simplify it to simplest manner, in the simplest form. So let's say 4 multiplied by 12, that's 48, guys, right? So we have 48. What is 3 times 3? That's going to be 9. So you ask yourself, how many times does 3 goes into 48? It goes 16 times. How many times does 3 goes into 9? It goes 3 times. So in other words, now we have 16 all over 3. So that's the solution. Even if you can punch it in your calculator, just say 4 all over 3 divided by 3 divided by 12. What is that? Just say, just say 4 over 3 divided by 3 all over 12. You'll get 16 all over 3. So that's how it should be at number 1. So let's go to number 2. At number 2, we were given a multiplication. Okay, let's simplify this. Let's simplify. So let's multiply. When you're given a multiplication, just multiply the numerator and the denominator. Let's say 7 multiplied by 4. What is that? That's 28. Oh, okay. That's 28. And what is 9 multiplied by 21? That will be 189. Okay. Then we have 28 divided by 189, which will give us 4 out of 27. Or in the simplest manner, we have 7 all over 9, right? How many times does 7 goes into 21? I guess that goes 3 times. How many times does 7 goes to 21? It goes 3 times. Okay, let me just erase it like this. So it goes how many times? It goes 3 times. Then we ask ourselves, how many times does 21 goes to 7? Doesn't go. You replace it by 1. So we now have 1 over 9. How many times does 4 goes into 9? Doesn't go. So we have what? So we leave it as 4 all over 3. So let's try to punch that in our calculator. 1 all over 9 multiplied by 4 all over 3. What is that? That's 27, because 1 times 4, it's 4. 3 times 9 times 3, that's going to be 27. So you can see there are many ways to kill a cat, right? Many ways to kill a cat. So that's the technique here. You can use different techniques in working out this, right? So we have many techniques to work out this fraction, right? So that's that's the thing, guys. So let's go to number 3. At number 3, we are given a mixed fraction. So when you're given a mixed numbers or mixed fractions, what are you going to do? It's either you convert it to improper or proper fraction. Do we get it? You convert it to improper or improper fraction. Right. Let's start with this one. What is 2 times 4? That is 8. Plus 1, that's 9. So we have 9 divided by 4. Do you get it? 2 times 4, it's 8. Plus 1, that's 9. So we have the denominator remain the same. So you only multiply this whole number and the denominator. So you're going to say 2 times 4, which is 8, plus 1, which is 9. So you're going to have 9 all over 4. Similarly, here we are going to have 3 times 5, which will be 15, then plus 3, which will be 18. So we have 18 divided by 5. Okay, that's great. So does 9 goes to 5? No. Does 18 goes to 4? Nah. So what are we going to do? Let's just multiply the numerator. What is 9 times 18? That's 116. It's 162. So what is 4 times 5? That's 20. So let's see if we break this into simplest means. 162 divided by 20 will give us 81 divided by 10. So you can punch this mixed fraction in your calculator. Just say whole number and a fraction of 1 over 4 multiply by whole number 3 and a fraction of 3 all over 5. Definitely you get 81 all over 10. So it's a matter of knowing how to work out with these fractions. Okay, so now we have 4 divided by 15 divided by 3. Okay, we need to simplify this, calculate this as well. So how are we going to work it out? Let's see, we have 4 all over 15. So we are going to find the inverse. Remember, the inverse is multiplication in this case. So it's the same as having 3 all over 1 here. So we're just going to swap or interchange. So in this manner, it will be now 1 all over 3. So let's see. What is 4 times 1? That's going to be 4. And what is 15 multiplied by 3? Guess that will be 45. That will be 45. So we have 4 divided by 45 is the solution. Oh, okay, let's recheck. Just punch in the calculator. 4 all over 3, 4 all over 15 divided by 3. Definitely it gives you 4 all over 45. So MIP 1501 students, that's how, guys, you were supposed to work out that. I hope, guys, you find this video interesting and you have learned as you are preparing for your examination. Around October, I'll do the full question paper as to prepare you for the rainy days, which are the exams. So we really appreciate for watching this video, and if you're new to this channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe and share the video. We love you.